Hi, this is Sean with Tri-State Waterworks. We're offering some new programs this year. One of the things we're talking about is our no contact service. So what does that mean? It means that we can come to your house and service your irrigation system, either doing a startup or a winterization, without you having to be there. We do not need entrance into your home. So the first piece of that puzzle is a smart controller that we can operate with a smartphone, so we don't need to get access to your garage or basement or wherever your controller might be now. So that eliminates one point of entry into your home. The second thing in this no contact service is that we'll be able to shut off your water from outside. So we don't need to come in the spring to turn on the water or to shut it off in the fall, or if something goes wrong, having you to be home so we can shut down your water. There's two ways we do that. One is with a freeze-proof hydrant. Not all homes are set up that will be able to install that, but what it is a device. It's kind of like your hose bib, except it's a little more complex than that, and it builds into the side of your house, into the foundation, and the shutoff point is inside, but we can turn it on and off from the outside. So in the winter time, when we winterize you, we can shut that off. The water drains from inside the house out, and you have a freeze-proof faucet. If we can't put in a freeze-proof faucet, we do have other options for taking care of that by digging down in the ground to your water source where it comes into the house and put in an outside water tap in. So that is a second way that can be done. So therefore you don't need to be home, which makes scheduling really easy. You don't have to worry about taking off a day of work or going into work late. Makes it really convenient for you. So please consider those things. If those would be beneficial to you, we'd love to talk to you about it and help you out with some pricing. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.